What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So like a lot of parents like me who own a Camaro, you know, we have a car seat, we have a stroller, there's so many kid stuff. The question is, can you fit a stroller in the trunk of a Camaro? So let's find out. By the way, I have a Uppa Baby here. This one folds up nicely, so when you're buying a stroller, you want to make sure it does fold up nicely just for travel and putting it into your coupe. So let's go. So I just took off the car seat, put it in, and now I'm gonna close Yep, you can easily fit your car seat in your Camaro.